guys, Jugalan Rumble here, and today's video i-tour ko tayo dito sa Everton Park. Tingnan natin parang meron dito. So enjoy watching all of this Park. So dito ako yung try ako kumain. Masarap yung mayroon siyang kainan dito guys. Wow, may nagaraya, may mga Pinoy foods. This is Everton Park, Block 7. Tingnan natin ang meron siya. Meron siyang chang clinic. Meron dito. Wow, mga juice, mga drinks. This is the waiting area, healing hubs. Oh, mayroong kordihan dito guys. So, mga shops around here. What this? It's actually near to the malapit lang siya sa Pinnacle Sky Garden. Kahit ako mamaya pagbalik. Nasa kabila. Wow, ang daming mangga. Mangoes. So, dito sa Block 7 is meron siyang kainan dito. This is Block 6. Western foods. Fish bowl, noodles, area. Wow, chicken rice. Mura lang ang steam rice nila guys, $3.50. And I think this too. Then wala na dito yung parangtay na kainan. Wala na siya guys. Ito lang pumalit. So, siyang farm. Tingnan natin anong mayroon dito. Wala na yung ano dito. Mayroon siya dating parang natin around this area guys. Ang ganda pala ng mga houses around this area. Tingnan natin, there's a colorful houses around this area. Tanjong Everton Park. This is Block 7, that's it. this area is already Chowking Kit Motor Garage. Ang ganda pala dito na area. Tapos dito na area is the Everton Road. So inikot natin guys to. And there's around Everton Park. This one is the Everton Sky Everton. So, ikot tayo ulit. Parang car parks na kasi dito. Oh, this is the car parks area guys. So, opposite is the balik tayo guys. Ayan. This actually the other side is the Pinnacle Sky Garden. Pinnacle Sky pala Dockstar. Yes, Block 5, Block 6, Block 4. Yan ang mga houses. It's Block 4. This is Block 4. Pakita ko sa inyo guys. It's Everton Block 4. That's Pinnacle Sky Garden. Pinnacle Sky at Dockstar. Sa opposite lang siya. So that's it lang. So parang ganun lang siya. Dito may mga sa block tunay-tunay wines. May mga So, may mga kainan pala dito na area, guys. Basta. Guys, maganda pala doon all the way. Mayroon siyang ano, may mga kainan pala doon. Ang ganda pala. May manok na pula. Kasya na siya, guys. Ang opposite niya. Pinnacle Sky. So, yan na siya. May makita pala yung ano. Doon ang sushi. Sama guys, the sushi and the Dockstone. Talaga tingnan mo. I-upload or when I was swiping. Wow. So that's it, guys. Dito lang siya. Thanks for watching. For more of my videos, please subscribe or click the notification bell button so that you'll be notified